The most anticipated iPhone since the original iPhone is finally here. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in black titanium. Let's check it out. If you order an iPhone 15 online, it's gonna come packaged like this. Let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone 15 Pro Max. And here it is. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in black titanium. This is the 256GB spec. However, if you order one today, you can expect to get it by the end of October. Is demand really that high? Comment and let me know. Now let's take a look at this beauty. I'm upgrading from the iPhone 13 Pro Max to the 15 Pro Max, mainly for the better cameras and the USB-C port in order to transfer my videos faster to my MacBook, since I use my iPhone to film my YouTube and TikTok videos. In the box, you also get this new braided USB-C cable, which is only good for charging since it's not a high-speed USB cable for data transfers. It's also pretty short, so don't expect to plug this thing in behind your couch and use it. Subscribe and stay tuned for my iPhone 15 Pro Max accessories videos to find out my recommendations. Let's go ahead and peel this protective sticker off and check out the screen. The bezels are way thinner than on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I'm super excited for that. Here's a look at the most requested feature, the USB-C port. This new action button is a game changer. It replaces the mute switch and allows you to customize the button. More on that later. Overall, the titanium design looks and feels nice, but as you can already see, it's a fingerprint magnet. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is super light, weighing only 221 grams, whereas the 13 Pro Max weighs 240 grams. The dynamic island is pretty cool. The screen is also way brighter with 2000 nits peak brightness outdoors. When setting it up, you're greeted with this appearance selector, which is pretty cool. Just make sure to tap update now before you transfer your phone. Here it is all set up, beautiful and smooth. I'll also be doing a camera quality test with a bunch of phones, so give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see that video when it comes out. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the iPhone 15 Pro Max next to my iPhone 13 Pro Max that I've been using for a while now. It still looks brand new. From the side, you can see the iPhone 15 Pro Max is thinner. It's also way lighter and you can definitely feel that difference. Let's take a closer look at the camera bumps. The main camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is 42 megapixels, which is a huge increase from the 12 megapixels on the 13 Pro Max. It also has a new A17 Pro chip plus a 6-core GPU, which Apple is claiming should turn your iPhone into a gaming console. What are your thoughts on this? The new USB-C port on the iPhone 15 Pro Max also has USB 3 speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, which should result in 20 times faster transfer speeds. The max transfer speed of the Lightning port is 480 megabits per second, so that's a huge performance boost. On the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can also connect an external SSD drive and record straight to it. So gone are the days of you running out of storage while filming. So let me show you how the new action button works on the 15 Pro Max. If you tap it and hold it, you can see it puts it on silent. If you tap it and hold it again, it turns back on the ringer. You can go into settings and change what this button does. So you can change it to focus, flashlight, voice memos, and all that good stuff. Just look at how big those camera lenses are. Make sure to subscribe so you can see my camera quality test video. I'll also be doing some camera comparison tests between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You don't want to miss that video. And if you want to see some of the best accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, definitely subscribe for that as well. Overall, I think it's a great phone. I wish they would change up the design a bit though. I don't think it's a huge upgrade from the iPhone 14 Pro Max except for the USB-C port. But if you have an iPhone 13 Pro Max or older, then it's worth the upgrade. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend and drop a comment below to let me know what you think. Peace out.